Prepare to be amazed as we embark on a journey into the enchanting world of extraordinary agricultural machines. In this mesmerizing realm, cutting-edge technology meets the ancient art of farming, pushing the boundaries of productivity and sustainability to astounding new heights. Embark on an exhilarating journey into a future where innovation knows no bounds, where the realm of agriculture is transformed by awe-inspiring machines that redefine the way we cultivate, nurture, and reap the bounty of our planet. Prepare to be spellbound as the incredible agricultural sprayer gracefully dances across fields, bestowing a delicate mist of life-giving nutrients with unmatched precision and efficiency. Prepare to be awestruck by the mesmerizing performance of the revolutionary rotary stick agricultural machine, effortlessly tilling the earth and sowing the seeds of abundance with breathtaking agility and innovation. Prepare to be blown away as the ordinary tractor undergoes an awe-inspiring evolution, reshaping farming with extraordinary power, efficiency, and versatility. Experience the captivating artistry of the tree pruning tractor as it gracefully sculpts nature's masterpieces, unveiling the hidden beauty within orchard branches. Prepare to be utterly moved by the heartwarming and joyous encounter with a truly contented cow. Prepare to be amazed as you witness the extraordinary fruit sorting machine in action. Prepare for awe as the corn veggies machine magically transforms ordinary produce into nutritious animal feed. Experience the future with the revolutionary sprayer tunnel machine, transforming crop protection and leaving you breathless with its efficiency and innovation. Unveil the captivating artistry behind the creation of flawlessly shaped hay rectangles, leaving you in awe. Unleash your imagination as you witness a robotic marvel, effortlessly eradicating weeds, blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. These machines are remarkable testaments to human ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of innovation and transforming industries with their extraordinary capabilities. Prepare to be awestruck by the sheer magnitude of this machine, surpassing your wildest imagination and leaving you amazed. Unleash efficiency as this tractor effortlessly harvests 10 rows of corn simultaneously, a true marvel in action. Prepare to meet the extraordinary ensemble of machines that will unveil a world you never knew existed, leaving you in awe of their capabilities. Weeds quiver in fear as this powerful lawnmower leaves no blade of grass untouched, Behold the unrivaled king of tree cutting, showcasing unparalleled power and precision that will leave you in awe of its mastery over nature's giants. Watch in awe as clever goats sip from their self-designed bottles, displaying remarkable resourcefulness and undeniable charm. Witness the agricultural revolution as a robotic marvel delicately harvests bell peppers. Embark on an extraordinary journey and meet mind-blowing machines that exist on an entirely new level of innovation and brilliance. Meet the king of blueberry harvesting. Witness the astounding genius of a mechanical climbing machine, defying gravity with unmatched ingenuity and climbing prowess. Experience awe as irrigation tapes are effortlessly whisked away, unveiling a mesmerizing process that optimizes the watering system with unparalleled efficiency. Witness the astounding revolution in the peanut industry as this machine swiftly harvests tons of peanuts with unrivaled speed and efficiency. Meet the automatic pruning machine, shaping the future of precision pruning with amazing innovation. Witness the rice harvesting revolution as this machine effortlessly binds harvested rice into neat bundles, transforming efficiency in the field. Meet the banana harvesting zipline. Meet the poultry house disinfecting machine that revolutionizes sanitation, ensuring unprecedented health and safety for our feathered friends. Experience the game-changing insecticide spraying machine, protecting crops with unrivaled precision and speed, revolutionizing pest control. Witness the magic unfold as seeds are sowed precisely after the formation of immaculate ridges, ensuring optimal growth and productivity in agriculture. Prepare to have your expectations shattered as you encounter these extraordinary agricultural machines, defying all limits and showcasing unparalleled innovation. Be astonished as a massive tree defies nature's grip and is effortlessly relocated in mere seconds, a breathtaking display of strength and engineering prowess. Behold the awe-inspiring transformation of agricultural machines into technological giants, reshaping the farming landscape with astonishing advancements and boundless potential. Embark on a thrilling journey through the rapid advancement of agricultural machines, where innovation and technology have transformed farming into an awe-inspiring realm of limitless possibility. Thank you for watching.